Hi, I'm Lisa Imhoff, the Director of Operations here at Second Chance Pet Adoptions.
And I'm Dave Ballesteros, President of the Board of Directors for Second Chance.
We wanted to check in with our generous and thoughtful supporters, so many of whom have sent us messages asking how we and the animals in our care are doing in the midst of the COVID-19 crisis that has swept the nation and has changed our day-to-day lives for the indefinite future.
We often speak of our donors, our volunteers, our adopters, and our staff as the Second Chance family. And even as we all practice social distancing, we wanted to touch base with this special family and give you a few updates about how coronavirus is affecting Second Chance, the larger Triangle community, and animals in need. We know that so many of you feel stressed, anxious, and worried about your own well-being, the safety of your loved ones, and what the future holds for your families and for the country as a whole. We hope that what we're sharing today will help to ease the worries you have about a cause near and dear to your heart, the rescue and adoption of stray and abandoned cats and dogs.
You may know that Second Chance is closed to the public for the indefinite future. Some of our staff have been working from home, while others who are directly involved in the care of animals here at our facility have been doing our work with a reduced number of volunteers to minimize the number of humans in the adoption center. The safety of our staff and volunteers is a priority for us, and we're pleased to have been able to implement additional protocols to protect them while continuing to deliver to animals the same high level of quality service they've come to expect, including their daily doses of love and affection. Of course, for the kittens, dogs, and puppies in foster homes, the world as they know it is no different, and we are grateful to the foster homes for providing them with even more enrichment as we all self-quarantine.
Speaking of fostering, you've likely seen on social media the advice to foster an animal while you're working from home or on a hiatus from work. We're thrilled to report that we've been flooded with foster applications and do not anticipate needing additional applications for short-term foster homes. If you've already submitted a foster application, please be patient as we process the applications as quickly as we can. If you're interested in long-term fostering for a few months, we encourage you to apply.
Though we're doing our work with a bare-bones crew lately, we're continuing to take new animals into the program and are still, by appointment only, meeting with potential adopters and sending pets into their new forever homes. In fact, by the end of this month, we'll have found homes for more cats in March 2020 than we did in March 2019.
Yay!
At a time when so much is uncertain, it's deeply comforting to be able to focus on and succeed in our mission, to provide an animal with love, comfort, and safety no matter what else is happening in the world.
We have deep gratitude for our adopters and also for the staff and volunteers at local county shelters who continue to fight tirelessly for animals in need as they transfer animals out of these taxpayer-funded shelters and into rescue organizations, foster homes, and adoptive homes. Like us, they are also expecting an influx of animals surrendered by owners facing financial hardship, and we are all working together to place as many animals with their forever families now to make room for those coming later.
Speaking of, we hope all are aware now that there is no evidence that cats and dogs can spread COVID-19 to humans. While the CDC recommends reducing contact between pets and humans who have been infected as a precaution, we should also bear in mind that there is no need to surrender your pet because he or she may have come in contact with someone who has tested positive for COVID-19 or is suspected to have it. Please, if you are able to in any circumstance, take comfort in knowing that your pet is safe and does not pose a threat to the health of you or your family.
So many of you have asked how you can help keep our animals, our staff, and our volunteers healthy. We are always grateful for donations. Much like everyone at this time, we're especially in need of cleaning supplies like hand soap and paper towels, bleach, high-efficiency laundry detergent, and dishwasher detergent. We are also springing into kitten season and could benefit from donations of Purina One kitten food and non-clumping litter. Though our front door remains locked, we are still accepting donations. We're happy to unlock if we know when you might stop by with donations, or for contactless delivery, we also welcome you to leave the items at the front door. Retailers like Amazon, Chewy, and more are still fulfilling orders and delivering if you'd like to have items shipped here directly. We're happy to email tax receipts for donations of supplies too. And of course, we certainly welcome donations of funds on our website to purchase these supplies ourselves.
As a nonprofit organization who receives no government funding, our ability to do this life-saving work has always depended on the generosity of donors. The same is true today. We also extend our gratitude to Dave and all who have served on our board of directors. Because of their cautious leadership and keen long-term planning for the future, we are calm by knowing that we do have some reserved funding for unexpected crises like this one, maybe be few and far between.
Perhaps the biggest impact that this virus is having on our organization is the cancellation of all our adoption and most of our fundraising events for the foreseeable future. We love getting out in the community with our adoptable pets. We love making connections with new friends and reunions with old ones. We love the many opportunities that local businesses have provided us to find homes for our animals and raise money for their care. We are missing those events and all of you very much. When possible, we'll be rescheduling as many canceled events as we're able to. In the meantime, we're so thankful that everyone is staying home if they can, and that those who are in essential industries and continuing to serve the community with their skills and their generous spirits.
One event that we won't be rescheduling is Racing for Rescues, our annual dog-friendly 5K race and fun walk. We were so looking forward to being back at Dorothea Dix Park the first weekend of May, but because hundreds of people come together at that time will introduce the potential to spread COVID-19, we will be shifting the physical event to a virtual event with the same goal, to raise thousands of dollars so that stray and abandoned cats and dogs can get a second chance to find love. We'll share more within the next week about how participants can still register for this event to have a little fun, #AloneTogether, through our virtual challenges and help us provide food and shelter, high-quality medical care, spay-neuter surgeries, and more to combat animal homelessness in our community. Stay tuned on our website or on Facebook.
Thank you so much for watching, and please stay home if you can, stay healthy, and let us know how you're doing and what you and your family and pets are up to while social distancing. Drop us a line in the comments or shoot us an email at secondchance@secondchancenc.org. We can't wait to see you again soon.